Saifullah Mir, Hizbul Mujahideen's operational chief, was killed in an encounter with police and security forces in the outskirts of Srinagar on Sunday afternoon. The police have also arrested one of his associates. Vijay Kumar, the Inspector General of Police, Kashmir, told reporters that the chief commander of Hizbul has been killed while one militant associated with him has been apprehended during an encounter. Saifullah Mir had joined the militancy in 2014. Saifullah, in May this year, was appointed as the new Hizbul chief 5 days after his predecessor Riaz Naiku was shot dead by the Indian Army. Moving on to the next news, Haryana Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar said the centre is looking for the ways to check love jihad cases a day after his Uttar Pradesh counterpart Yogi Adityanath issued an indirect threat to those who play with our sisters' respect. The Haryana CM said his state was also considering legal provisions but would ensure that no innocent person is punished. Since the Ballabgarh case is being linked with love jihad, the centre as well as the state government is looking into it and considering legal provisions so the guilty cannot escape and no innocent person is punished, said the Haryana CM. Moving on to the next news, Congress leader P. Chidambaram, referring to the assembly elections and by-elections held in the country since the 2019 Lok Sabha polls, pointed out that BJP's winning percentage had drastically reduced. 381 state assembly segments have had assembly elections or assembly by-elections held since 2019 Lok Sabha elections where there were BJP candidates. In the 2019 Lok Sabha elections, BJP candidates won 319 out of these 381 assembly segments. In the elections or by-elections in these segments since 2019, BJP candidates won only 163 out of 381 segments, Mr. Chidambaram tweeted. Who said BJP cannot be defeated? Opposition parties must believe that they can defeat the BJP. I hope this will be proved in Bihar, he further added. In an explosive insight of working with incumbent Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, former Finance Secretary Subhash Chandra Garg blamed the messy stint with Ms. Sitharaman for his abrupt exit in June last year. Mr. Garg, in a blog post, claimed that Ms. Sitharaman had insisted on his transfer from the North Block a month after she took over as the Finance Minister. Mr. Garg further wrote in his post, "She has a very different personality, skill set and approach for economic policy issues and also for the officers working with her. It became apparent very early that working with her was going to be quite difficult," he further said. Moving on to the next news, more than 100 prominent Indian citizens, including actor Naseeruddin Shah, poet Javed Akhtar, lawyer activist Prashant Bhushan, dancer and choreographer Mallika Sarabhai, and distinguished former police officer Julio Ribeiro have issued a joint statement condemning the recent terror attacks in France and outrageous statements by Muslim religious and political leaders. The statement, signed by people from different religions, backgrounds and professions, hits out at self-appointed guardians of Indian Muslims, rationalizing cold-blooded murder, and says no god, gods, goddesses, prophets or saints may be invoked just to justify killing of fellow humans.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.